Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start with two essentials: admin access and a restore point, because drivers change core behavior. Once those are ready, make sure you're online so Windows can search for drivers. Now open Device Manager, press Start, type Device Manager, and hit Enter. You should see categories like Display Adapters and Network Adapters. Click the arrow to expand the relevant device category. This reveals the specific hardware entry you'll update. Pause here only if the device is missing. Otherwise, proceed to select. You'll now right-click the target device and choose Update Driver. If you want Windows to search, pick Search automatically. This is quick but may not get the latest vendor features. If you downloaded a package, choose Browse My Computer and navigate to the folder with the INF file. That forces the specific driver. Make sure to check digital signature prompts. Install only signed or trusted vendor drivers. Once chosen, follow the install prompts and watch for completion messages before rebooting. Once the driver installs, restart the PC so changes take effect. Many drivers won't fully initialize until reboot. After restarting, verify device functionality and check Device Manager for warning icons. If something breaks, go back to Device Manager, open Properties right arrow driver, and use Rollback driver. This restores the previous version instantly. If rollback isn't available, use the restore point you created or check Event Viewer and vendor support for error codes. That troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.